just starting off with some face paint I got from Michaels, and this was like, I don't know, like $4 or $5. And I'm using an eyeshadow brush just to create, mimic like where I want the teeth to be, and then I'm using a smaller eyeshadow brush for the outer teeth, if that makes sense. So I use a bigger eyeshadow brush for the inner teeth and then a smaller one for the outer. So now I'm going in with the white paint from that palette, and I'm just creating the teeth. So this is like my first time, literally my first time doing a skull look. So basically what I'm doing is I'm going back and forth with the black and white face paint until I get some sort of look that looks more like teeth. So yeah, I'm going back in with the white after it dried a little bit and dragging the teeth down, making it skinnier towards the ends, and going back in with the black and shading that out. So now I'm just taking the black paint, the same black paint I used earlier, to paint the whole sides of my face, and I use my Revolution BX35 brush to paint my face. And I do this on both sides. For the outline that I have on before I put on the paint, was just a black eyeliner pencil, and then I smudged it with my finger. But that clip somehow got lost, so I wasn't able to show you guys how I did that. But I just used a black eyeshadow pencil. So I'm just basically looking at a picture of a skeleton on my phone and trying to mimic the neck part and somewhat of a collarbone. And basically the same thing that I did with the teeth, I go back in with the white and black until I get the look I want. So as the base for the glitter, I'll be using my Unicorn Snot glitter gel, and it's for your face and body. And I'm basically going to put this everywhere I want to put my chunks of glitter. So this is the base, this is what the chunks of glitter are going to stick to. This glitter right here is from the Gypsy Shrine, and this one's called Fortune Night, or Fortune Night. I don't know why I said fortune. But it's called Fortune Night. And so basically I'm just taking my e.l.f. blush brush and just patting that everywhere. The Unicorn Snot is going to help the glitter that I'm applying now stick to my face, so you guys don't have to worry about using like spirit gum or I don't know, any other face adhesive. Now I'm just applying some face jewels by the same company, the Gypsy Shrine, and these already come in their own pattern, so you just peel it off. It's like a sticker, and then you just place it where you want it to go. Super easy. So now I'm going in with this beautiful palette by Queen's Life Cosmetics, and I did not want to touch this palette for so long. I just wanted to have it and not touch it. But anyway, I'm filling in any sparse areas that I would have missed with the chunky glitter, and just making sure everything looks well blended together. So I was using the lighter shade purple for the sides of my face, and for my nose I'm using that darker purple. For my lashes, I will be using Unapologetic by the Stay Blowing Minds collection. And these lashes are bomb. Every time I wear these, I always get compliments on my lashes. And I've used them like 5 times now, and they still look as beautiful as they did day one. My brows, I just use NYX Liquid Suede Cream Lipstick in Amethyst. Now I'm just using some random natural lashes I had laying around. I really don't remember where I got these or who they're by, but I figured they'd be perfect for my bottom lash. And now I'm using my BH Cosmetics Black Light 6-color highlighting palette, and I'm using that for my brow bone and my inner corners of my eyes. Going back in with my black paint from my face paint palette, I'm just creating more lines to make the vertebra look more realistic. Now I'm just adding that black paint underneath one eyebrow and over the other, just to give my look more of a cartoon vibe. Slight cartoon vibe. And that's all, folks. Make sure you guys like and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Let me know what you guys thought of this look in the comment section below, and I'll see you in the next one. Happy Halloween!